Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your 1Password for Web3 login credentials, beginner guide step by step clearly. To back up your 1Password for Web3 login credentials, first, open the 1Password app on your device. Log into your 1Password account using your master password. Navigate to the vault where your Web3 login credentials are stored. Select the items you want to back up by clicking on them. Once highlighted, look for the Export option in the menu. Choose the format you wish to export your credentials in, usually CSV or JSON. Confirm your export settings and click on the Export button. A prompt may appear asking where to save the file. Choose a secure location on your device. Ensure this location is safe, as it contains sensitive information. After saving the file, consider encrypting it for additional security. You can use a dedicated encryption tool or password protect the file. To restore your credentials later, return to the 1Password app. Use the import feature to upload your backed up file. Follow the prompts to complete the import process. Now, your 1Password for Web3 login credentials are safely backed up. Always make sure to keep your backups updated regularly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.